far.
Yeah.
We're here.
Okay.
Hello. This is my friend Hillary.
Hello.
She's helping us with our measurements today. Yay, Hillary.
Very exciting.
If you have checked out Wallace Street Instagram, you might recognize her beautiful face because she does a lot of modeling for Wallace Street.
Modeling.
It's modeling. She's an actor as well. I kind of roped her into modeling. Okay.
Love it.
So, quick measurements.
Yeah.
We're going to do the bust, the waist, and the hips. And measurements are very helpful for a lot of reasons. Hillary, how often do you need to have your measurements?
All the time. And I'm always like, Amy, can you come over and measure me? Because they need my measurements.
But
and
you,
I don't know how to do
you
it.
have your body, and you can do it.
I know.
Yeah.
So you're going to teach me.
I'm going to teach you.
You're going to teach all of them.
Yeah. Okay, so we're going to do bust.
Okay,
so,
cool.
arms up. What you want to do is you want to go for the widest part of the bust and make sure that you're perfectly straight across the line here. This is where it gets a little bit tricky if you're doing it on your own. But you can go and look in the mirror just to make sure that it is all level. So Hillary, have you put your hands down?
Down?
Yeah. Just on the side of me.
Oh, gotcha. Yeah. Sounds good. Yeah.
So
I'm like, how's that working? Is that good?
It's great. So you just want to line it up so you're perfectly straight, and then you can see where the end of the measuring tape, we'll do a close-up later maybe, lines up on there, and then that'll give you your number.
Yeah.
Also,
I didn't know that's what it is.
So
It's the end of the measuring
like,
tape.
it's right there. I mean, I could announce your measurement to the world, but like,
That's fine with me. I don't care. Okay.
well, it's a 38.
Ooh.
Okay, next, waist. So, where waist, you can put your hands on your hips, or hands on your hips, yeah. That's not going to help you find your waist.
It's like here.
Put your hands on your waist, and generally your natural waist is going to be about 2 inches above your belly button. Okay, find your belly button.
Yeah, this is the belly button.
When you got high-waisted jeans on today too.
I do.
Yeah. And another trick way is to put your thumb on your waist, where you think your waist is, and hinge over, and where it creases, that's your natural waist.
Oh, okay. Yeah. I like that. Yeah, accentuate that.
Yeah. So we're gonna measure our waist.
Okay, cool.
So again, we're going around, making sure we're nice and level, and you can kind of find that it will sit where it wants to sit because it kind of finds your smallest part there.
Okay.
And then the same thing, you're gonna line it up. Okay, waist done.
Cool.
Next, we're gonna do our hips. As the hips do. So with your hips, same thing. You want it. You're measuring at the widest point, right?
Mm-hmm.
And we all ladies have different widest points.
Yeah.
So you want to again make sure you're going around. Yeah.
It's like your butt. Your butt's included, right?
Yeah, this is your butt. So for some ladies, like for me and you, I think our widest point is our butt.
Yeah.
But for some people, it might be the hips. It might be like a different point.
That's true.
So that's why I've had you turn to your side so we can see that it's going to line up right. Okay, so there we go. We did bust, waist, and measurements. I mean,
sweet.
Bust, waist, bust, waist,
bust, waist,
and
hips. It's like head, shoulders, knees, and toes. So different.
Yeah. We're going to measure ourselves, and we're going to have a race.
I wonder who's more proficient in this area.
You can have the pink tape.
It's my favorite color.
Oh,
That's why you're so
something else.
helpful.
Oh no! What is that? It's what? A dinosaur!
Is that a stegosaurus?
I don't know what kind of dinosaur it is, but it's.
Okay.
Ready?
Okay, wait.
So you want to have make sure you got the one.
Yeah.
So you're gonna. Ready?
Yeah.
Okay.
Are we doing bust, waist, hips in that order, right?
We could shout out the number when we're done, or we could just go bust, waist, hips, and then see who.
Whatever you want.
Might not be the most accurate. Let's just do it.
Okay, sounds good.
3, 2, 1, go.
Go. Okay. Widest point.
Bust.
Shocking shock.
Waist.
Bust. Okay.
Hips.
Now I have to go. Okay, sorry. Waist. I twitch.
Yeah.
Okay. Thanks, Judy.
Thanks, Judy. See you, Judy.
Looking great. You're looking slim. Have you been working out?
She has been. Yeah.
What a nice waist she's got.
Should we measure it?
Yeah, let's do it. Because, you have to get an accurate reading.
It's true. It's true. We don't want to mess. Ooh, 25 and a half.
20. Looking good,
yeah,
Judy.
Nice and trim, Judy.
Good. Keep it up.
All right, quick recap. Here we go. Bust. Always measure at the widest or fullest part of the bust, making sure the measuring tape is level. Waist, you can hinge side to side to find your natural waist. Ladies, it'll be the narrowest part of your torso. Hips, again measuring at the widest or fullest part of the hips, keeping the measuring tape level to get an accurate read, and avoid wearing baggy clothes so that the measuring tape can be nice and snug. Boom, measurements done. Thanks, Hillary. Thanks for checking out the video and making it to the very end. You can find more about me and my sewing project at Wallace Reed, and you can find more about the delightful Hillary at Hillary Lynn on Instagram. Thank you. See you next time.